Hey guys, and welcome to Cookie's Allotment. Well, here as promised is the video on me fitting my log burner, or it's a little rocket stove to be fair, it's not really a log burner, it's too small to get a log in. So I'll just show you quickly what I've been doing so far, and then I'll show you how we're going to progress. So guys, if you remember from the last video I did, this is my little stove. It is those bits out of the way, a tiny little stove. It's got the sort of top loader here where you can just put a bit of kindling in the top there, and then it's got the bottom door here where you can make the initial fire. So yeah, a little air vent there. So it's looking really good. So the first step really is to make the area where the flue's going to be. I'm using a vitreous, I think the first bit of flue is. So it's like a black enamelled flue. That gets quite hot. So what I'm using is concrete fireboard, and I'm just insulating behind it as well. So that will allow us to have the flue a lot closer to the shed wall. And it's actually going to be going out there. You can see a rough sort of circle in the roof there. So I'll put my jigsaw down. So I've just got to finish this bit, and I'll show you quickly the bit that's going on the top. So fingers crossed, wish me luck, and I'll show you when I've done the next bit. I've got the cement board up, and I've just sealed in some of the cracks, well, cracks, I say cracks, joins, because all these bits, I mean, it's the allotment, I don't buy these, I was gifted the stove, I've managed to sort of scrounge some cement board, so it's all sort of just, you know, cobbled together really. I think it looks quite nice. I'll probably paint that at some point, black maybe. I'm missing a little bit of cement board here, but I'll be able to get some of that from somewhere. So I think what we'll do now is we'll cut the hole in the roof and get it all lined up and get the flues together, and go from there. Okay, I've just drilled some guide holes in the shed roof there, and here's my first top tip. Do the silicone in last, because now the silicone is wet and the sawdust is going into the silicone. So I've made the mistake for you, and because when I cut that hole in a minute with a jigsaw, there is going to be a lot of wood shavings down here, and also stuck in on my freshly applied silicone. And unfortunately I haven't got time, because today's a really nice day. I've got to get on with it to get the roof sealed so that the stuff can go off. We've got the hole cut now. I've redressed some of the silicone that had the wood chip in, and I filled in the gaps and just put some silicone. When I say silicone, this is a 500 degree silicone. So I mean, if this is 500 degrees here where the flue is, we've got serious issues. But it's gonna be quite hot up here. It's gonna be sort of in the 90s coming off the flue. So what I'll do now is I'll go and do some work on the roof and get the roof plate fitted in and cut. What I've got to do is I've got to measure the width of this flue. It's roughly 7 inches. It's a 5-inch flue, but it's twin wall, it's insulated, so it gives you that protection as it goes through the roof. So I've got to measure that, and then if you look on the silicone collar, you've got all the numbers there, so it should slide down. So we just got to find the best one, and then cut it to fit, and then this will be on the shed roof. Right guys, a little bit fiddly that. I think it would have been a 2-man job really. At the moment I've just got it wedged with my lady tankard. Yeah, it's made a bit of a mess of the thing where it's just touched that, but that'll wipe off with something, I suppose. It looks quite straight. It's got a 3-inch to 4-inch goes in there, and then this is just basically just decorative really. Just got to put some more cement around it, make sure that's all sealed up. So it's up on the roof now, up on the roof, and seal up there. I'll just quickly show you outside. It's been a bit of a pain actually, to be fair. Oh, definitely would have been easier with two. So this is the fluid coming out of the roof now. I've got to, I could do with someone here really. I've got to sort of lift that up a bit more. It's a bit fiddly, and then lift this up so it's level, so I can silicone around the flue bit, get this straight so I can sort of pull it down and sort of nail it, screw it. So what I got what's up here. Yeah, so I think once this bit's on and sealed, we'll be pretty much there. That's alright actually. So guys, when I was filming the other day my camera ran out, so I wasn't able to show you the finished flue. So that is the finished twin wall construction outside of the shed roof, and it's been here now for a week or two and there's no leaks, so this has all done its job. So I'm going to light it now and see if it works. So I've put some just some kindling in the top there. A bit of paper, and I've got some paper underneath. I'm just going to light it now, and hopefully the smoke should be going out of the roof and not into the shed. So I've got a bit of paper lit at the moment, and it's as my friends just pointed out, it looks like a new pope's been elected. We've got white smoke coming out, so once the kindling's caught and the logs are burning, that should dissipate. So it's dying down already, the smoke, and the shed is smoke free. The CO alarm hasn't gone off, so that's good. So I've just checked, the logs are catching now. The smoke's definitely dissipating, so we're getting a cleaner burn now. The smoke's near enough gone now. There's hardly any smoke coming out at all. So we'll have a quick look at the burner. That's definitely a light. The heat is special. So there's definitely some nice heat coming off it. And just a bit of a wisp of smoke at the top, so I would say that that is a 100% success. You can just see the heat coming out now. Look. You can see the heat haze coming out the top now. No smoke at all, so we're getting a really clean burn. Really, really happy with that.
What's the temperature?
So it's 19.5 in, 19.6 now in the shed, and outside it's about 13. So, and it's definitely doing its job, because you can't touch that. That's really hot. But the twin wall, you can keep your hand on that. So that's definitely doing its job. So there you go, guys. One log burner fitted to the Mancave. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope it inspires you to do the same. Take care, and see you soon on Cookies Allotment Devon.